Hey friends, I've got another book today. This book today is called Grumpy Bird, and the author is Jeremy Tankard. Now, the reason I picked this book today, I was feeling a little bit grumpy myself. It was raining outside. I'm tired of being stuck inside. But I thought, well, maybe if we look at this book, we could be grumpy together. I don't know how you're feeling, but if you're feeling grumpy, this might be a good one for you. If you're not, good for you. Let's take a look. Ooh, look at his face. That's our grumpy bird. And I want you to look at his face throughout the whole book and see how his face looks or if it changes, okay? When Bird woke up, he was grumpy. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. Looks like I'm walking today, said Bird. Oh, look at him walking. Still looks pretty grumpy, I think. Bird walked past Sheep. Good morning, Bird, said Sheep. What are you doing? Walking, said Bird. Nice, said Sheep. I'll keep you company. There he is, still walking. Bird walked past Rabbit. Oh, hi there, Bird, said Rabbit. What are you doing? I'm walking, said Bird. It's no fun. I could use some exercise, said Rabbit. I'll walk too. Do you notice Bird's face still? Bird walked past Raccoon. Oh, hey, Bird, said Raccoon. What are you doing? I'm walking, snapped Bird. What does it look like? Well, it looks like fun, said Raccoon. I'm coming too. Bird walked past Beaver. Hello, Bird, said Beaver. What are you doing? Let me give you a hint, said Bird. You do it by placing one foot in front of the other. Walking, guessed Beaver. I love walking. Bird walked past Fox. I have a friend in my room who loves foxes. Bird walked past Fox. Good day, Bird, said Fox. What are you doing? Why does everyone want to know what I'm doing? Shouted Bird. I'm just walking, okay? Oh, okay, said Fox. Well, let's go. Now, this is interesting. This is the part where he was yelling. Do you notice that the words got darker and bigger? Ooh, wasn't happy. Still crabby. Still grumpy. Bird walked. The other animals walked. You see everybody in my picture? Sometimes it's hard to hold the book so the camera can see, so I hope you can see it okay. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped. Bird stood on one leg. The other animals stood on one leg. If you want to do that, you can do that too. Bird jumped. The other animals jumped. You can do that too. Well, hey, this is fun, said Bird. Look at, finally, his face changed, didn't it? Come on, said Bird. Who had forgotten all about being grumpy? Let's fly back to my nest for a snack. So Just wanted to remind you anything that you're feeling is okay. But sometimes if you do something else, especially if you're feeling not so happy, if you do something else, sometimes it can get your mind off it. Okay? Hope you're having a better day, or maybe a better day now that we've read Grumpy Bird. Bye, friends.